Hey there friends, on Valor today. Today I'll show you what to do if the Wi-Fi option isn't showing up on Windows 10. I'm showing this on Windows 11, but it's the same on Windows 10, so it doesn't matter. First, try running the Wi-Fi troubleshooter. To do this, just type troubleshooting. Yes, here you'll find the troubleshooting settings. We'll just go through the system. Yes, in the settings, under troubleshoot or other troubleshooters, run the network and internet troubleshooter. Click the Run button. Next, right-click on the Start button. And here you'll find something like Device Manager. Now let's open it. Here you'll need to find your Wi-Fi adapter. Mine's a Realtek Family Controller Wi-Fi adapter. Then right-click on the adapter and select Properties. Click on Drivers here, hit Update Drivers, find drivers on the computer, and choose from the list. Select from the list, click Next, update the drivers, and restart your computer. Alright, next let's try going into Services. Here we find VLAN. So, VLAN auto-config and switch it from manual to automatic by right-clicking Properties and select Automatic here. Then click Apply. Now, the process of applying these settings will start and then restart your computer. And that's it. Valor was with you. Please like and subscribe to the channel. I wish you all a good life. Good luck to everyone. Goodbye, everyone.